Remakeup ta achuwi khamdaya pauping. IT sector li Badipur Khanitho Chungmei Sangkhwai CM Biran na Kathong Haira. Northeast We Highway Projects Kishok Zang Road Minister Nidin Gadkari na review Sahaira. Laikhayang ator aju the Tangkhul Expressway bao Iknguira Shimray inabami delay bao bing mesa aina nganang rumsa. Information Technology IT sector li Manipur we Khanitho Thaithang Khambai mi Khalaider Gar Sahaira da CM Biran na hanghaira. Aya Imphal li 5G we capacity building conference room mida Chili CM and Biran na gahang state we Khanitho being IT sector li maning gasang thai state li shomi gahai Indian Institute of Information Technology lila local katam nawing jan masahai samanada Manipur we Khanitho na ideally ningsang khamai dargar gasa CM na hanga. Oktoti IT sector we adam na gaji hangda avu ava bing nala atumui naungara na IT tamkakui we kan kana phabda khwai siam na gasatsanga. Manipur li digital infrastructures matang sa khawaida state shokar na mathala kaina gagatom miran haira gaji hangda state we rural bam saigorali internet sampangranuda bharat nadla implement sadalaida CM na hanga. 4G saturation project we azing lila Manipur we khung shagatum hang tharuk zangdalai kala ari lama washung rangaji khung shajisha tumra dagatum project chili sangmikhwai proposal ngarandalai da CM Biran nahanga stately leader khalai command service centers CSC we Odkasala IT department na CSC special purpose vehicle singlaga yangra haira stately active CSCS tinghalangdalai dalajia Centers being Chui Od Gasashan Gakuya Tishuda incentive program la Midalagia. India li 5G services Haupoguda Manipur State Lila 5G services Haupok Mikwai Shogarna Kangran Sadale 5G we working committee Semhaira Kala 5G policies Lakwai Manipur right of way policy 2019 li Kangajay Kura Kawaila Haupokhaira da CM Nahanga. Northeast li Khuyada Kalai National Highway Projects we Kishokazang Aya Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari na review Sahira. Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim Kala Nagaland we National Highway Projects being we Kishokazang Kangasan Jili Ngalay Kakui issues projects we Mangakwa proposed Saga High Projects being technologies Kathershi Kachin Shongfug Assembly Kangayad Kalay Maram La Financial Interventions Derkagasa Hikatawi Maramli Mesa Aina Karajan Sahira. Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim Kala Nagaland li Saran projects Nason Gahai Maramla review Bamda delay Gasa Maram Tekwida Otmanga Haupokavai Union Minister China Jizumi Haira. Project Saigora Tagda Gupsan Kavaila Gadkarina officials being Jizumi Haira. Union Road Minister Nagahang Tangkhul Highways Chongfu kilometers Santaruk Semkup Kawai Gasahi Awi Karina Ka Aruri kilometer Hang Madimang Rerdale. 2021 to 22 li National Highway Kasam Tangkhul kilometers Tumrada Shini Gupsang Shap Hirasai Ka COVID Mimauna Shegak Wudwivang Tangkhul 28.64 kilometers li Suitahawa. India we National Highways Saina Expressways being Mataila Kaina National Highways Authority of India NHAI Aina National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation LTT NHIDCL na Semdalaya. Satta Kalay Financial Zingum Hili Highway Shonfu 12,000 kilometers Gupsan Kwai Karin Sadaklina. Ministry na Highways Kasam 2019 to 2020 kum then 1,237 kilometers semkui 2020 to 21 li 13,327 kilometers kala 2021 to 22 kum then 1,457 kilometers semgakui sambanga. Imphal Parampat li Kalay Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Chenims Li Miyernawe Hostel No. 3 Aya, Chief Minister An Biran Singh na Tharjikat Mihaira. Hostel Shok Mi Angara Nangaye Chili, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sabamran Chan Singh, Kala Public Health Engineering Minister El Susintro Mite La Wazanga. Chief Minister Nagahang, Chenims Li, Kangajidara Kakwira Haira, ICU beds Lamadai Sang, Neurological Surgery Facilities La Shuhaira, Oxygen Plants La Samsangala, Kidney Transplant Operations Matalagai Nasakakwi La Sampanghaira. Chenims MBPS course we sitla madaida shaka hangpanga leidale gala Thargat Gabmi Gahai, Chance Hostel Jikatam Now Chungmei, Bongwing a Sakawai Gasanada, and Piran Nahanga. Chenimsi National Level, Kashushak Nasakawai, State Shogana, Hodnada Lake Jihanda, Institute China Zadraga High Angaredli Yangda, CM Piranna, Miyakangai Masotmia. Chenimsli Neurological Surgery 24/7 with facilities Sami Kawai, Shogana Paning the Lake Galachiwang, Lubagror Taramanwi, Agabagai Losang Rajia. Piran Nagahang, Fan nga Japauda Dergar Gasa facilities Pingji, Saigor Sakali Makui Sang Mi Karna, Ka facilities Pingji Dergar Sakamay Atishuda, Avuvu Maron Kwisang Mi Mamanra Dahanga. Health and Family Welfare Additional Chief Secretary V. Vumlunmang, Chenim's Director Professor Laishram Tipan Singh, Chenim's with Doctors Kala Staff Ping Lagazip Chilivasanga. Manipur War on Drugs with music video Bobby Leirangda Aya Cabinet Minister Thongam Biswachit na Yari Li Pongmi Haira. Manipur Press Club League Zipta MLA Karam Shyam, MLA KH Ibomja, SB NAB K Meghajendra, Imphal East Way, Upatyaksha Dr. Dhamma Gala Social Worker Leidantham Basanda Atumla music video release Kasa Chili Vazanga. Minister DH Bisochit na music video kasama bingli maya kangai pongshogda music video china Nisha Ari Araili kangarer awareness campaign ling genre dahanga. Bobby Leirang gaho music video chili B. Rajendro Mitena la sada Nisha we saga zilmaramli yarina tetang make vaigala madazang kavai chanpao ngayaw kami kasana chia. Ayar ngale we mi ILP masingla Zingum Chiko, Manipur Libam Gasa Akali State Police na Tukui Haira. Zingum Hamadida Panga Shikagahai, Rehan Khan Hoda, Dalan Kanawi, Mi Akali, Haingang Police Team na Ajahan Tangazin Tukakwina. Mibaji Kairang Jingyawi, Local Nala Kui Haira Chia. Police Nagahang State Police na Atamadamli ILP tribes da Rehan Khan li Tukakwina, Gala Ali Manipur Wiaina Gashamja Awi State li Hanung Sakaura da Laydale. Jordan Ling Ryoda Kalayachikumi Asian Elite Boxing Championships Li Lovelina Borgohain Aina Alfia Bathan Final Vashunhaira 75 kg category with semi-final Li Tokyo Olympics bronze medalist Lovelina Borgohain Gala na South Korea Wi Sion Li Kayu Sampanga Asian Championships bronze medal kani Sampanga High Lovelina na Ajuwi Hili called Maninglala silver Sampang Palunghara da India Wivang Ringapanga Sahara 2022 Ilota Cup champion Alfia Bathanna 81 plus category li 2016 world champion Kazakhstan wi Lazat Gugilbav Yivali Kayu Sampanga finally Assam wi Lovelina na 2021 Asian Championships silver medalist Ruzvedova Sokipali Natagra, Alfia na Chotanwi Islam Husali Natakidaleya. Chief Minister and Piran Singh with spokesperson Nada Gabigda Zakasa Akali Police na Tukui Haira. Gairang Mayai Lake Highway Zinkum Hangmadi Shika Gagahai wi Mi MT Mansur Alamli Imphal East District Police na Tukakwina. Mansur Alamji Anti-Corruption Foundation of India we self-styled state president Lasada Lechia and a Facebook chief minister and Piran Singh with spokesperson Nada Zatkasana. Huimaram CM owner John Por Gashok Atishuda Mansur Alam na CM with official spokesperson na direct laga social media li makamashung bao ngayaw mi kasana. Ka CM we ranu Manipur CM o we ranu ki official spokesperson ka malaymana. Kala Mansur Alamji CM we od gasali ki kangashik kamalay manada tharkami shoka. Indian Army na Veer Naris Pingwivang Viran Gana Siwa Kendra VSK Shomi Haira. Veer Naris kacheng and I make up kachi Taisa Bing Ling John Mikamaida Indian Army na Arihon with technology shichinda single window facility shokami gasana. Taking care of our own no matter what kachi hina Dugisada Viran Gana Siwa Kendraji Indian Chibaiwi Rumaivungara Langanai makeup kachi Taisa Bingwi welfare wivang the grievances redressal upon Kura Kami Gasana Chia. Project G Army Wives Welfare Association with President na Directorate of Indian Army Veterans Premises Dali Cantonment launch Samia. Virangana Sewa Kendraji Indian Army Veterans Portal www.indianarmyveterans.gov.in li Haimi Dalay System China Crevances Kararajwi tracking monitoring Kala Adam Gachi feedback Mira Vimaris or next of kin bina Virangana Sewa Kendraji telephone SMS WhatsApp boast email aina lasing baira Manipur we State Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition Manipur SIHM Lizingkum Akawi Integrated Diploma course introduce Sahara Integrated Diploma in Aviation, Hospitality and Tourism G Chatwing Sling Shik Lega Rumiki Gina Juwe admission Sapukaira 10+2 pass la Kreji Spain Dampaya Hangda kala diploma course chi diploma in cabin crew management, kala diploma in aviation hospitality and tourism management amira. Program partner Chatwing C Aviation Hospitality and Tourism we Mathamai Kap Kaji Institute li zanga kala Info Valley Educational Research be let LDT we unit akanga saya gala China Manipur we BPP partner sada SIHM operate sada kalina. Chatwing C National Skill Development Corporation we partner company kala National Skill Qualification Framework we skill knowledge provider ngasaya. Chatwing Saugapok we aina average placement 97% handa sampang haira kala gatam now ting tarada pangashika langdali placement mi haira dahanga. SIHM we 1 year integrated diploma in aviation, hospitality and tourism we maram gup may take ngai pingna 88110787751 la 918811078753 maningaka 88110787754 li ngahanwa baira website www.sihmmanipur.com lila bayang kui baira SIHM hi Ministry of Tourism na haupok mida Manipur Department of Tourism na yang sang mida kalena Institute Chile Bachelor's degree panga, Master's degree kani, diploma programs katumda, Dhanamanjuri University we azingli, Hotel and Hospitality Administration we course mitakalena. Normaiching Infal East li kalay, SIHM Manipur campus li international standards we, state-of-the-art infrastructure haimi dalajia. Arihan diploma in aviation, hospitality and tourism li, minjan sa kawai ngahot haira, gors adam kajang tarada kanina dahanga. SIHM we admission office Kala City campus chi Directorate of Tourism North AOC Infal West Lileya Ngalay karar ngohong zangda Sadar Hills Kambokbi District we tribal issues ngadade da we maramli Sadar Hills Tribals Union on Land and Forest SHIDULV na Twitter kani gatum kuhaira Union Chui Chairman Dr. M. Dominic na General Secretary Taminland Kipkan na Migashoka Tishuda Sadar Hills Tribes wing a legala Kerang Hongli Ayar we mina Masazakwai Matara Kwai Gajihina Kamadaya Nirin Sadar Hill Tribals Union on Land and Forest Chikasamna Kala Union China Indian Constitution Article 361 Siwi Mashun Sinquida or Sara Dahangsanga Sadar Hills Tribals Union on Land and Forest Sea, Sadar Hills Kangpokpi District with Tribal Nauping, Kangaruma Batina. State Shokana Gangpokpi District we Tribal Kuwun Tarada. Daraka claims Sada Lake Jihangda. Union China Ajahon Darik Shinitang Autonomous District Council Pavan Infali Emergency Gazip Bamda Tribal Body Signa Chiefs Bina Tribal Forest Rights Kala Forest Ownership Maramling Asan Ngaruma Sadar Hills Chiefs Association Nongmaiching Area Chiefs Chairman Kolakba Association Kuki Inpi Pailengmoy Island Block Development Committee Bungbi Area Chiefs Association Vaipe People's Council Eastern Block Higata Longla Gazip Chili Vazanga Chia Shoka we order Gashokli Kangpokpi Aina Infal West District we Kuwung overlap Sahawa Gachihangda District Akawi Kuwung Tari Ngari Kaishok Mihai Dalelaga Shogar Kalada Naji Kiwivamate Tukala da Union Jinama Kamaya Pungshoka MLR Aina LR Act 1971 Hill Districts Li Murazang Ran Mana Gaje Article 371C Atishuda Revenue Department na Gangbokbi District we Sadar Hill Kuwung Di Murata Pai Mana Gaji Union Jinahanga Elected representatives na Ridawi State 2013 auto implement sada land records Saigor Deputy Commissioner Li transfer Saming Sakava Union China Borada Dahaira. Central Forest Division we Azingli Reserved Forest Kangpokpi District we Aina Imphal East District li transfer Sagahai Maramli Ramnau Pingna Shorkar we Revenue Gazette Order G Reject Sai Kala Forest Administration Vivanda Non-Revenue Unsurveyed Kuwung Dar Ralaga Hili Villages Ping Bali Revenue Villages Sada Declare Gasaji Kuivan Kala Kanghan Sai Forest Administration Direct Laga Hili Villages Ngabon Kwida Kalina Gachihanda Shorkar we Osak Chili Ayinli Mga Yimana Democracy Aina Constitution Li Madung Maganda Gasana da Union China Hanga State na Ayinli Shuda Order G Kalan Hauranu Maninga ka Maninga Chang Ochot Gashok Taran State Shogarna Pungra da Hamatin Haira Kangpokpi District Police Jurisdiction Chamaida Lakewai Police Station Saina Outpost Madai Sangmida Kangpokpi District Kuwung Saigoru SB Kangpokpi we Azingli Lengasakawai MLA Spingli Bora Jaira Union China National Commission for Scheduled Tribes we Jerperson Li Sampangragala Tribal Now Bingwi issues Jihang Jiteda Ministry of Tribal Affairs Li Memorandum Sangra Jaira Latluida Chui Kamadaya Bauping IT sector li Badipur Kanito Chumai Sangkwai CM Biranna Katong Haira Northeast we Highway Projects Kashok Zang Road Minister Nidin Katkarina review Sahira Achui Pau Hiling Changhaira Pau Nganada Kalata Tum Saikorali Ringapagala Kamahaya Zimishung Sasirana